God of Abraham, you're the God of covenant and faithful promises. Time and time again, you have proven you do just what you say.